My love, I promise to love you without condition. Hindi ako mapapagod at hindi ako magsasawa. Kahit, ay sorry. Hindi, mali nabasa ko. Ito pala yung akin.
Akin yan eh.
Wala to.
Sarap bro, sarap.
I'll never sleep, I'll never leave. I'm gonna chase this dream tonight. I'll never leave, I'll never go. Can count on me tonight. Oh, I'll stay up with you, baby. It's alright. It's alright, baby. It's alright. It's alright. I'll never leave.
Leandre and Jenny Rose, sana walang araw na dadaan sa inyong buhay mag-asawa, sana walang araw na dadaan na walang pagmamahal. Ag ibabakantian na panangaro, so inagaw-ago ya ito na katawan sa isi kayo.
My hair is thin and
Ay, father ko. Di, nagpapasalamat ako sa'yo dahil tinuruan mo ako ng magandang asal. Di mo kami pinabayaan nila mami. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa'yo na pinalaki mo kami mabuti. Mahal na mahal kita.
I go from thin to overweight. Day to day it fluctuates. My skin is ink but faded too. But she loves me, she loves me. Why the hell she love me? She could have anyone else.
Sa bawat pagkakataon, ikaw ang lagi kong inisip. Hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw ang aking pipiliin.
'Cause I don't even love myself. Baby, the best part of me is you. Lately, everything's making sense too. Oh baby, I'm so in love with you.
Before God and loved ones, I vow to honor you, to pray with you, to lift you up, and to walk away in faith beside you. I promise to love you as Christ loves us, with patience, kindness, and forgiveness.
I lose my phone and place my bets, and I never catch the train on time, always 30 minutes behind. Your worries ain't seen nothing yet, but you love me, why the hell you love me so when you could have anyone else?
Thank you for being my person, my love, and my home. I am so honored to walk through life with you, and I can't wait to see you where this journey takes us. I love you, my love.
Baby, the best part of me is you. Whoa, lady.
Salamat dahil pinili mo ang makasama ko hanggang sa dulo. Salamat at dumating kayo ni Ellie sa buhay ko. I love you.
I'm so in love with you. Don't look us right in the face, and you know that we're out for blood. We're out for blood.